Indian Space Research Organisation is planning its next launch of the Aditya L1 satellite this month. The final and fifth lunar-bound orbit maneuver for the Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft was performed successfully this morning. The G20 Digital Economy Working Group meeting was formally opened by Alkesh Kumar Sharma, the Secretary of the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology in Bengaluru today. President Draupadi Murmu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar paid floral tributes to former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee at Sadaiv Atal on his death anniversary today. Parsi community spread in various parts of the country is celebrating the new year, that is Pateti, today.